Good morning. My name is Jefferson Camilo Herrera Muñoz, System Engineering students. Why did I like the race? My main focus is always my mother. She is visually impaired. For this reason, she bought telephones or electronic devices that made her life easy. For this reason, she bought telephones or electronic devices that made her life easy. To configure cell phones, I was always lost, but I tried. Besides that, when I was 8 years old, my dad studied in foundation in Suba. Main digs about computer maintenance and some networking. Okay, integrate development environment. An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilitate to compute programs for software development. An IDE normally consists of as lays a source code editor, build automation tools and debugger. Some IDEs source as NetBeans and Eclipse contain the necessary compiler, interpreter, or both. Other source and the shared develop choose as shared develop and Lasur do not. The boundary between an IDE and other parts of the broader software development environment is not well. Sometimes a version control system or various tools to simplify the construction of our graphical user interface are integrated. What do I want after finishing my degree? I plan to focus on computer security, do a postgraduate degree in the Catalunya University in Argentina, or I would like to work at IBM as programmer.
I am Cristian Contreras, and today I go about why I chose to study this as something I learned it. I chose this career because since I was a kid, I was interested in video games. I always wondered how they did them, how did all that work. In the end, I chose system engineering since I were paid in Colombia and serves as an impetus to start in developing programs. Mostly learn to code with Java since it is an easy developing language, which is a programming language. As we use guidelines to communicate with people, we also need to translate this into codes, more specifically to binaries, to communicate and give orders to the machine. In this enters Java since you translate your words to codes and then convert them to binaries. This is easy to use and very simple to learn. In addition, is free software, meaning that you can edit it, modify, improve without restrictions, and Java works for cross-platform. See that you can talk in the same way to different types of operating systems as Curious Data. Minecraft, the best-selling video game in history, was originally programmed by Notch in Java.
Hello, my name is Diana Rodriguez. I am 20 years old and I study systems engineering. I am going in 4 semesters. I have chosen system engineering because since I was little it has drawn my attention to how the animations and encodings need to create a video game or a video games will work. Websites also in have always like mathematics in engineering has a lot of mathematics. On the other hand, it is very well paid career in Colombia and flexible hours. I have learned many interesting things in the course of my degree, such as programming, learning more about topics such as networks and database. Today, I will explain a little about what a database is. Databases are the program amounts of the human needs to store information what is to preserve in against time and deterioration is ordered to be able to access it later. In this sense, the appearance of electronics and computing provided the indispensable digital elements to store ugly amounts of data in limited physical space, allowing ordering, storage, and rapid information retrieval.